Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video, and this time we are going to unbox a weighing machine that we got from Instamart during the Diwali sale. This is retailing at 3000 rupees. Let's see what is the price written here. Yeah, you see that it's at 3000 rupees, but we got it for 300 rupees only. Right? That's right, kitty. And my cats are all excited today because we got some Lay's and a lip balm and lots of chips here. So let's go ahead and open this box. Right, kiddo? Alright, it's all packed right. Well, Kitty is all curious. She wants just Lay's chips in her mouth. So I'm just, holding one phone in my hand and in the other I'm trying to open this box. But okay, let's also look at the features that's there on the box about the product. I don't know, man, what are all these things written, but let's not waste time and let's pull this out. You see that? Let's keep that aside. They've given us some batteries as well. Alright. Okay. Let's remove that. Cool, bro. Oh, easy. Let's not break this today. It's all glass. It's a glass slab. I don't know how it's going to measure my weight. I don't want to break this, man. Nicely packed, man. Looks beautiful. This weighing scale. The texture, the color. Oh, red in color. You can see the texture. It's all glass. We have a manual. Let's look at it. What does it say? We welcome you to the lifelong family at your. As you welcome our lifelong electronic glass weighing scale to be part of your home. It's a glass weighing scale. You can see the code of the product. Some more details about the product. That's it. Man, this is solid glass, bro. Let's turn this around and see what it looks like at the back. Alright, they have given you some details about the model. There is no warranty card anywhere present. Alright. The model number, and we have the back of the weighing machine to put the cells. Yeah, we remove this back case. Let's put this light bulb is light. Okay, here we go. I guess, I don't know, this is a switch. Let's turn this around. Hopefully this sat right well. I guess this is a button to turn this on. And let's turn this around and see if this is on. Man, the texture is really nice. It's all glass. So let's turn this and turn this on. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. We turned it on. Okay, it shows 0. Let's try my weight and see how much I weigh. Let's keep this down. Hopefully this does not break from my weight.